Matcha green tea may look like a scoop of mossy powder from a medieval apothecary, but inside that vibrant green lies a precisely engineered blend of molecules that would make a biochemist weep with admiration. The magic duo here, caffeine and L-theanine, sounds like an odd couple. One's a stimulant ready to rev your brain like a Formula One car, the other's a calm, zen-like amino acid whispering, breathe. Yet together, they create a state of mind that's both alert and relaxed, a focus so smooth it should come with its own soundtrack. And beneath that serene energy boost lies something even more exciting: cellular-level benefits, stress adaptation, and pathways that light up your brain's ability to renew itself. Let's begin with caffeine, which you probably already have a close, somewhat codependent relationship with. It's a central nervous system stimulant that blocks adenosine, the molecule that tells your brain it's tired. This blockage increases dopamine and norepinephrine levels, improving alertness, reaction time, and mood. But in matcha, caffeine isn't working alone. It's paired with L-theanine, a naturally occurring amino acid almost exclusive to tea leaves, which glides into your brain like a molecular meditation coach. L-theanine increases alpha brain waves, the ones associated with creative flow and relaxed awareness, while reducing the jittery side effects caffeine might usually provoke. The result? A state of calm concentration, or what can only be described as monk mode with Wi-Fi. But matcha's genius doesn't stop at mental clarity. This pairing also reduces oxidative stress in neural tissue. Caffeine, in high amounts, can sometimes increase reactive oxygen species, but L-theanine counters this by boosting glutathione, your brain's go-to antioxidant, and reducing excitotoxicity in neurons. The result is not just better focus, but actual protection for your brain's structure and function, especially as you age or go through periods of intense stress. Now enter AMPK, the cellular energy sensor and metabolic master switch. Caffeine, by increasing intracellular calcium and AMP levels, triggers AMPK activation in neurons and other cells. AMPK doesn't just manage energy, it also ramps up autophagy, cellular cleanup, encourages fat oxidation, and turns off unnecessary energy expenditure. L-theanine, interestingly, supports AMPK indirectly by lowering oxidative damage and inflammation, which helps cells maintain energy balance without freaking out. Think of it as caffeine flipping the power switch, while theanine ensures the wires don't fry. But perhaps most exciting is matcha's effect on neurogenesis, the birth of new neurons, particularly in the hippocampus, the brain's memory hub. Chronic stress, aging, or lack of sleep can reduce neurogenesis, turning your brain into a foggy archive of outdated files. But studies suggest that the caffeine-L-theanine combo can support brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein that nurtures new neurons and strengthens synaptic connections. In other words, regular matcha drinking may not just help you think clearly now, it might actually help build a better brain for the long haul. Add to this matcha's rich polyphenol profile, especially EGCG, which enhances antioxidant defenses, protects DNA, and reduces inflammation, and you've got a drink that's multitasking harder than a startup founder on launch day. EGCG also contributes to mitochondrial protection and supports AMPK activation in its own right, adding a third player to this molecular jazz trio of calm, clarity, and cellular resilience. So matcha isn't just green tea's overachieving cousin. It's a performance-enhancing, neuroprotective, metabolism-friendly, anti-aging superpowder that makes your neurons hum and your stress levels drop like a meditation bell just rang in your frontal cortex. Whether you're chasing deadlines, deep focus, or just a longer health span with a side of mental clarity, the caffeine-theanine synergy in matcha is your brain's gentle, glowing upgrade. In short, if coffee is the friend who shows up loud and unannounced, matcha is the one who brings a playlist, a plan, and a peaceful vibe, while also sneakily remodeling your neurons to be smarter, faster, and more future-proof.